Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean. I'm here today to do a project share real quick, but this project is a little bit too big to put my camera on the holder so I can record all of it. So I'm going to try to show you. I'm in a swap for a banner and mine is kind of late, and I apologize to April so bad. I feel so bad that I am so late, but things happen. I was sick for a week and I got way behind, but I'm fixing to pack this up and ship it to her, and I wanted to do a quick project share before I send it off. And I won't show this before she gets it, but I'm not able to show the whole thing at one time, so I thought I would just kind of slowly go down. It's a Shabby Chic banner. It was supposed to be for Valentine's Day, so I had originally made the heart-shaped pennants for the banner, and since it was so late, I had talked to her about possibly maybe doing her name instead of a Valentine's word, and she said that would be fine. So I'm about to lose my light here. Sorry, but anyway, she agreed that I could put her name on it, and that's what I've done, and I've made it real shabby chic. I made most of all the flowers on here, and I made the heart shape, and I put the lace around it. I glittered the leaves I had. I made this flower here, and these flowers, and this flower. And then I put a feather in there. I made the stick pins. Here's one and here's one. Excuse my sniffles, y'all. And then again here, I made this flower, and this flower, and I made the stick pins. The letters come out of the pack from Tuesday morning. And what I did behind each letter is there is a crochet doily, and then I put a paper doily, but I popped it up on dimensionals so I could put some eyelash trim in behind. It's just enough to give it just that little something. I'm trying to see if I can get a close up so you could see. And then I cut out this out of some lace, and I put the letter, and I put this at the bottom with the sequins. This was on like a roll, and I cut each one off the roll. On each one of the hearts, I took my crocodile and I punched holes, and then I put eyelets. I'm trying to get a good picture so you can see. And then I put a jump ring through the eyelet. It's a big jump ring. And on the back, I put a organza ribbon. Yeah, you can kind of see it here. And I took the organza ribbon and tied it through the jump ring, and then pulled it up around the roping and made little bows at the top. That's a little bit hard to see, but it all hangs evenly, and it's got a little bit more shabbiness to the top of it. It's hard to get the light right when you're doing like this as well. On here I made the big pink flower. I didn't make the white one or the little green one, but I did make this big pink flower shabby out of some satin lace. And this was an earring that I got at a junk store. These are stick pins that I made. I like this one, it has a little butterfly on it. And then I did all the letters exactly the same. The letters are the same, and I put lace around each heart. Here is the I heart, I in her name. I made this flower and this flower. I didn't make the green one. Again, I made the stick pins. I made these stick pins especially for this banner, so all the stick pins I made. I put these tassels together. I didn't make the actual tassel, but I did put the beads on it, and all of those are the same on each one of them, on the tassels hanging down. I made the pink flower. I made this flower with the green. This was an earring that I got. I made the stick pins. I also made this flower here. And again, I did the letter the same way. I wish I could get a good shot of all of them together, but I don't think I can. I can get 4, but not 5. Almost, maybe. I might hit the ceiling fan, but I can almost get all of them. But I just wanted to share that with y'all. I'm really proud of the way it come out. I've convinced myself that when I catch everything up, I'm going to make one for me. I also put a few pearls on them. But I hope April likes it, and I hope it kind of makes up for it being as late as it is. Again, April, I am so sorry. This is the first time I've been really super late on a swap like this, and I feel really bad. I don't want this to happen again, so I don't know. I'm maybe not get into such a big swap, maybe do a small one. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. And hopefully here pretty soon we'll start doing some tutorials and some process videos. Y'all have a crafty day. We'll see you next time.